Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling Kubernetes directly in Docker Desktop. Open Settings and flip Enable Kubernetes. Choose a single node cluster for local development and allocate resources. Try 4 CPU and 8 GB RAM to avoid slowdowns. Once done, click Apply and let Docker restart. This creates the kubeconfig entry and a local control plane. Make sure Docker's status becomes running and Kubernetes shows as enabled. You'll need that before you run kubectl commands or deploy any manifests. Next, configure kubectl so you can talk to the local cluster. Check your kubeconfig with kubectl config view and confirm the current context. If it's not Docker Desktop, switch using kubectl config use context Docker Desktop. Once set, test connectivity by running kubectl get nodes to see the single node and kubectl get pods to inspect system pods. If system pods are initializing, wait. Many services take a minute. These checks ensure manifests and Helm charts target the right cluster. Finally, deploy your app using kubectl apply F or install via Helm. Target the Docker Desktop context and watch pods roll out with kubectl, get pods W. Expose services using node port or use kubectl port forward for quick local access. Make sure ports don't conflict with Docker Desktop's reserved ports. If something fails, immediately describe the pod to see events and use kubectl logs for container output. Key troubleshooting tip. If control plane is unavailable, restart Docker Desktop and reapply, then recheck kubeconfig and resource limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.